So 2-point rotate and scale is what we're going to talk about in LightBurn. And there may be a lot of reasons to use this, but for a simple example, let's say you have a rectangle and we're going to anchor that on the bottom left corner here in the 9-dot control. And then we're going to rotate it 49 degrees. So it's rotated, and you can see how easy it was to anchor it where we want it. But if you had a pentagon attached to it, we're going to grab this corner here. We're going to hold down the Alt key, and we're just going to snap it to that corner. But trying to use the 9-dot control to control the pivot point, so even if we mark it on this right bottom corner, it's not going to rotate right because of the shape of it. So I'm going to Control Z to go back. And there's another way. So once your pentagon is selected, you can go up to Arrange. You can go down to 2-point rotate and scale. Click that. Go to where you want the pivot point to be. Click once. And then you can go to where you want to grab it and move it. Click another time and hold it. If you want to rescale, hold the Shift key while you're moving it, and it will rescale. And then you can snap it to your rectangle, and you're good to go. And I haven't used this a lot, but I can see how very useful it can be and how it could have helped me out in the past. So maybe that was helpful to somebody. And I appreciate you folks watching. If you have questions, let me know. Or if you have questions about anything I've got posted, something that maybe is not quite clear enough, or if there's something you think maybe I need to redo because I've done it in an older version of LightBurn. So just let me know. So just check back often for new videos. You folks take care, and we'll see y'all next time. Thank you.